Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the YouTube Shorts glitch problem quickly and easily. If your YouTube Shorts are freezing, lagging, not loading properly, or acting weird, here are the best fixes you should try. First, completely close the YouTube app and reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary YouTube Shorts bugs and loading issues instantly. If the problem is still there, open your phone's settings and go to the Apps section. After that, go to App Management. Then search for YouTube and tap on it. Now, if you're on Android, tap the three dots at the top right and select Uninstall Updates. This resets the YouTube app and removes corrupted updates that may be causing the Shorts glitch. After that, open the Play Store or App Store and update YouTube to the latest version, because outdated versions often cause YouTube Shorts freezing and lag problems. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable and try clearing the YouTube cache for better performance. Once done, reopen YouTube and your Shorts should work normally again. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more YouTube tutorial videos.